It's a little bit like safety. Energy efficiency is everybody's responsibility. So it's a matter of getting everyone on board and everyone understanding how their particular job affects the whole build. So part of it is really inspiring the trades. So it's not just obviously the insulation people, they're really important. So you let them know that you're building a high performance home and we need to get it nice and tight. Sometimes I even tell them it's going to be pressure tested at the end of the job, even if it's not, just so that they do the right thing. But it's a matter of talking to the carpenters and explaining to them how it's important that we get the right distance on the northern eaves. So just to measure that, so that and explain that we want to get that sunlight coming in winter and keeping it out in summer. It's a matter of talking to the tiler and telling them how the house, the building is, we're trying to make sure that we only choose things that don't off-gas nasty things, and that the membranes and the glues that we've chosen for him are all low in volatile organic compounds. So that's his bit of the performance of the house. So you get a little bit of buy-in from everyone. The other things that are really simple to do is during induction we go out to our site sign on the front, and we've got written there just simply that if you make any holes in the insulation, it's got to be taped back. So if the plumber comes and needs to put a pipe through, then he knows he's got to tape it back, and that there's foil on site. We show them where the foil is and where the tape is. If any bats get removed, well, again, it's part of the induction that the bat's got to be put back. But it's a matter of explaining to the trades why that's important. Or the painter, in fact, you're talking to him, explain to him why it's important that we don't just wash up down the drain. We provide an area for the painter later on. So it's a matter of spreading the right messages, and the more that you do that with the same trades, if you're using them over again, the more that will percolate through, so that the trades are just doing the right thing. And then, of course, the backside of that is having a good Q&A system, that before the plasterer comes in, everything, all the insulation is checked, and before the cladding goes on the outside, we check for tears and holes and just fill those up. So yeah, it's about putting it into a system, so that at the end you get a quality build and a really good job.